It is 4:17 p.m. Friday afternoon, September 15th, 2023. Santa Fe, New Mexico. That was Rail Runner Commuter Train, Rail Runner Train number 517, departing Santa Fe, going to Belen, New Mexico, the other end of the operation. Locomotive was a Motive Power Industries Boise, Idaho MP36PH-3C, powered by Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, McCook, Illinois diesel engine. They have 7 of them. The mountains in the distance are the Santa Fe Mountains, and the rail runner lease from the Santa Fe Depot, originally the Atchison Topeka Santa Fe Railway Depot, completed in 1880. There's kind of a simulated water tank. In the Santa Fe, this is for the Santa Fe Railway, completed in 1880. It was a branch line from Lamy, New Mexico, and of course now the rail runner runs to Belen, New Mexico, partly on a new line. And after Santa Fe, the Santa Fe Southern Railroad or Railway started excursion service between Santa Fe here and Lamy, New Mexico. And actor Alan Alda was part owner, and now there's a fairly new excursion service operating between the Santa Fe Depot behind me and Lamy, New Mexico, the Sky Railways. They have a variety of equipment and an Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation GP9 that now has a chop nose. Again, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Friday afternoon, September 15th, 2023, over and out.